Hello, America. This is Mark Hale with Wilson Print Marketing's marketing tip of the day. What is the most valuable marketing tool that you have at your disposal in your business? That is your business card. Business cards have been around for 1,000 years, 100 years, I don't know, a long time. But a business card is one of those things that a lot of people they try to go with the cheapest form of business card they can buy when necessarily it's a marketing piece. It's going to make an impression. You want your customer to hang on with it. So some of the styles of business cards that you can do, we do these business cards with a soft touch laminate on the outside of them with rounded corners. It's on heavier paper. Looks really nice. You can do what's called spot UV, which is a glossy coating that's put on in different spots on the card on different words to actually bring out the message. You can print on one-sided, two-sided business cards, and then also business cards can come in double sizes where they fold in half and make a bigger card to give a bigger message. A lot of times attorneys and landscapers and people that want to use their business card as like a mini brochure will do that type of business. But don't skip on the quality of your business card. It's very important. It's one of the things that you're handing somebody, a prospective new customer, and you want them to hang on to it and then call you from the business card.